Alright, hello everyone. JP here, and I'm fixing to do something, and it's going to involve needing to use my drill press. So I'm going to go ahead and change out this 1-inch bit here, because that's not what I'm going to be using. Put that back up. I actually need a teeny tiny bit. Ooh, that one may be okay to use. That'll be alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to fix these little houses. There's a church. I've got to fix them because the cat knocked them off and broke the hinges on them. They used to be hinged because you could set them up. But the cat knocked them over. She broke them. I didn't want to take the time to fix the hinges because they've been fixed before. So this time we're going to drill holes in them, and so we can put them up on the wall. So that's what we're going to do, because I'm tired of fixing it. It's getting to be annoying to me. So, our drill press here is set up. Do I have another small clamp? Where's it at? I had it. And I moved it. I don't remember where I put it. It was over here. Well, we don't really need it. It ain't a necessity for doing this. So let me set these where I can get to them. And then I can also show y'all what I'm doing. So, turn this camera. Well, let me come over there. See, it had holes in them. See, they had hinges on them. And when the cat knocked them over, she broke them pretty bad. They wouldn't hold together anymore. So now I've got to fix them. Can y'all see what I'm doing? No. I need to set y'all up on something. What could I set y'all up on? See if y'all sit on these blocks here. Some scrap blocks. Then I got lying around the shop. Should have brought the tripod, but I didn't. That's good right there. So my plan is to drill holes. That's off close to. I may drill that one down at the bottom. As center as I can to these. So we'll see how good I do. May not be perfect, but it'll be alright. Y'all probably saying, JP, all I see is your hand. And that's alright too, because see what I'm accomplishing here? I want a hole in them. And I had to put that one down low because it was there was a cross on that one. I'll get my mouth working in a moment. All that is like pressboard material. Gotta put a nail hole in them now. I don't know how I'm gonna center this one. Probably should have measured this one. It'll probably hang crooked. Well, that really don't need a hole in because it's got a hole up on the top. You just put a nail right in that window. Well, it's really the same with this one. So we only had to drill 2 holes. Yeah, okay. That's fine. Works for me. Does it work for y'all? It works for me. Okay. So, that's what I had y'all sitting on, those blocks. See, now they got the holes in them. For me to hang those up with nails. So, here's some bee traps over here. Check out these bee traps. I made these yesterday. These are solid bee traps here because I glued 4 pieces of wood together. They're good solid traps. This one has a quart jar on it, so see? And there's 2 of those 3 it's got pints. And 2 that has quarts. How did I have that said? Oh, here's some other ones. These are my favorites. I really like how these turned out. These are made with those pickets like when you're building a porch and you want to build the handrails. Those are the pickets you use. So I glued them together and made some bee traps with those. And those got little fancy jars on them. So I have 4 of them. Yeah, that's my bee traps. I don't have any birdhouses down here. All the birdhouses are in the store. I don't have any birdhouses in the shop. So, but anyway, that's what I came down for. Oh, I tried to make a paddle the other day and I messed up the handle. See, I messed up my handle, but that's all right. I did drill some holes in it so you can pop someone's behind with it. And I did make this, a little drill bit holder thing. I made that. So this drill press, this is one of those Harbor Freight drill presses. And I'm telling you, this is a thing right here now to have. When I make those bee traps, when I drill those 1-inch holes down into these traps here, man, this thing is the stuff for that. And we all see I drill that 1-inch hole down in there, and then I just simply take my electric drill and I drill out these side holes. This is one that I made, and it's got that big crack in it. I said, well, that's not a pretty trap, so still, I guess it'd still work, but yeah, I drilled out this one too, and that's how cracked it was. But anyway, so let's take these back up to the house. Now, I was told if I had spray paint, I could paint them, but I do not see And y'all are my witness. I don't have spray paint. That's a can of lacquer, spray lacquer. That's not spray paint. I've got butcher block stain, and that's black lettering paint back there to do letters. I do have a sign. I do have a sign that I had made. This is for my aunt's store. Set it up here. And it ain't gonna set right. I don't have to hold it. There we go. I did that. Not perfect. It is not perfect, but you can read it, you know. So use a trim router on that. First time doing an edge too. Didn't do too good, but you know, it's all right. So I got to make another double-sided sign. So I've got to find some sign wood, what I call sign wood anyway. There's some wood up, not really upstairs, but above our head. There's some wood up there. If there's sign wood, I don't know. I know there's some long pieces on the floor. Oh, here's some sign wood. Slid back in there. Got some oak. Here's the oak. This is stair tread oak. Well, there is a few pieces of signboard. Upstairs too here. Another piece of oak. Right there. There's a little piece. Knock something over there on me. That's a good long piece. Here's another pick. Oh, it's on this. That's on the side. It's up there. I got all kinds of wood just stored everywhere. Here's some pieces. There's even some oak flooring up there. Just got a splinter in my freaking finger. That's lovely, ain't it? Anyway, that's what's up our wood. It's what's above our head. You ever wonder what was above our head? I got stuff stashed. There's just stuff everywhere in here. Of course, it's a workshop, so there's supposed to be stuff stashed everywhere. So, all right. I'm done blabbering. What I'm actually doing is I need to move the bedroom around, and I'm putting off doing that because I don't really want to do it, but I said I would, so I need to do it. You know how it is. Okay. Oh, if you want what the noise was, it's my fan. I got the Clark Griswold electrical going on over here. Oh, I hit myself with the door. That's good. Scrap wood everywhere. Make sure we have our keys before we lock. Yes. I locked my keys in there one day. That wasn't good. Wasn't good. The outside of the shop. Looks like David Street. It is David Street. Coming here.